it's your girl Real Betty B. Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time, special welcome. And if you are yet to subscribe, please do well to subscribe. In this video, I'll be showing you how to make yummy burger with fantastic recipes. So guys, let's dive in. For this yummy homemade burger, I'll be using some burger cheese slice, hot chili sauce, burger patty, tomatoes and zucchini slices. They are salted already, burger buns, mayonnaise, and finally the video to the patty, chili sauce, and burger buns will be in the description box below. Please do well to check them out. I will be making the burger strictly on low heat. This is how the buns looks when toasted. Fry the zucchini. Finally, burger is ready to munch. Ooh. for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment, share, subscribe, and remember to turn on your notification bell so you get notified whenever I upload new videos. Until next time, see you.